In this story behind the numbers, I've themed this one step by step. So it comes from Matt Skehan, one of our great buyers agents in the team, and step by step because this particular couple had a lot of cash. They'd built up a very, very nice nest egg. They'd been working hard, good money managers, and they wanted to put that money to work. And whenever you get someone who's investing for the first time, there's a real, well, any time really, but the first time around, there's a real, chance to be able to build trust and take people on a journey and build out that education, because you want to be able to make sure that you've got their confidence that you're going to pick the right asset. And when you've got people who are very detailed, that's when it's going to take some time. And we love detailed people because in our business, we're known for detail. We're absolutely known for, the amount of detail we go to in cash flow analysis, in the research that we do, in all of the parts of the process in our business. So we get delighted when those people entrust us with their money. And this couple who were based out of Sydney gave us a Melbourne brief, which we were very happy to take. We call the process a slow and steady, build that trust, get that detail right. And so the bottom line is that Matt was able to buy down Bayside Way. He's bought a really safe and reliable asset down there, a brick solid home, incredibly neat and tidy on a good patch of dirt, 687 square metres of dirt, 3 bedroom, 1 bath, rented straight away, nice yield, 3.4 for the price point. It really is a low maintenance, and there's potential for future value add on that particular site as well. So the transformation here for me is that first property, just like every property, but that very first one, you get that first one away and then you realise that it doesn't impact your life. I remember my first investment, you're sort of watching it for the first 3-4 months, maybe 6 months, and then you just get back on with your life. And I think that's what's going to happen for this particular couple. They're going to be able to build more confidence out of making this particular purchase. And for me, that's then about giving them the confidence to step forward with their next purchase. So step by step is the process. Purchasing property is a process. It's not an event. Build up that knowledge, win that confidence, be entrusted to make the right execution. Matt did a great job here, and we've got some happy customers who have got their first investment property.